Hello, this one has told me to repeat the video in English. So guys, I'm going to show you how you can manage devices and secure your TikTok accounts, because some of you guys are using your TikTok accounts with some other people, like your account is logged in many devices without you knowing or without your permission. Now guys, I'm going to show you how you can delete those devices that are using your TikTok accounts without your permission. Now as we get started, don't forget to follow me guys. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends guys. Now guys, you're going to come on your TikTok profile and press up on those three lines. Then guys, press on settings and privacy. And then you're going to press here on security. After reaching here guys, you're going to press on manage devices. And then guys, after reaching here, you can delete those devices. They show you those devices that are using your TikTok accounts, that are logged in your TikTok account. So guys, you can press on that icon of delete and delete them if you don't know them. If you know those devices, you can leave them. And then guys, to secure your account, so that people cannot log in easily, you just turn on step 2 verification guys. You just turn on step 2 verification and then you secure your account. Don't forget to follow me and like the video.